My friends, David Kessler here, and welcome back to the studio. Are you friending the wrong people on Facebook? I don't know. It's a good question. What makes me think of this question is I'm constantly getting, friend requests from artists, and probably, and I'm not on Facebook a whole lot. But I get friend request after friend request, and they're all artists. And I'm thinking, why would an artist want to friend another artist? And I know there's this, thing about community and artists sticking together and art community and all that stuff. But then after you accept the request, then they'll send a thing that says, hey, like my page. Well, first you're friending another artist, then you're asking that artist to like your page. Well, maybe I don't like your artwork. Maybe I don't want to follow your page. Maybe I don't want to like your page because I don't like what you do. Or maybe I don't want to like artist pages in general. Maybe you're going about it wrong. If you're trying to develop business for your art business through Facebook or through friending people on Facebook, then friending artists is not the approach you should take, because I'm probably not going to be your customer. Right? I'm probably not going to be your customer. So maybe you should think about it in terms of selling paintings. Who can I friend? Who can I research on Facebook and friend that may be a potential customer for my artwork? So it makes more sense to friend those sorts of people and get them to like your page than it is to get me to like your page. Because most likely I'm not going to buy anything from you, right? I got a whole house full of artwork. I don't need any more. I mean, that's the reality. But maybe there's a local business owner that you would like to friend. Maybe they exhibit artwork in their shop or their restaurant or their business. Maybe you should connect with them, or maybe you research people on LinkedIn and either, get them as colleagues on LinkedIn or you get them as friends on Facebook too. There's a lot of ways to approach it and a lot of ways to think about it, but friending artists only, if you're trying to build your art business, is not the approach you should be taking. But think about it. If you are on Facebook just to get friends in an artist community, that's great. Then you're doing the right thing by friending other artists. If, however, you're trying to get business for your art business and sales for your art business, then think about, other people that you could friend and get to like your page that would be potential customers for your artwork. It's just a different way to think about it. And if you haven't thought about it like that, then think about it like that and start to implement a plan where you can friend and get other people who are or could be potential customers for your artwork on Facebook. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. See you on the next video. Thanks.